Hello Jollynatics! For today's video, naghahanap ba kayo ng private resort ngayong papalapit na nga ang summer? Well, meron kaming i-share sa inyo that offers spacious, clean, and very homey vibes na para ka nga lang umuwi sa probinsya. Bali, nandito nga tayo ngayon sa Peter Lynn's Private Resort located dito sa may Purok 6, Barangay Conchu, 13 Martires, Cavite. They have spacious parking area na estimate ko kasya up to 15 cars or higit pa. And when I say spacious, talagang malawak ang place nila dito and kasya up to 100 packs. Ito naman yung kanilang swimming pool na meron na ding kids pool area, and ang laki nga rin ng kanilang main pool na may mini waterfall design pa. At infinity pool na nga rin pala yan ha. Meron din sila ditong Nipa Hut Cottage, and for overnight stay naman, you have the option to avail their barkada room na mayroong 5 double-sized double-deck beds na kasya up to 20 packs. O di kaya naman itong kanilang family room that has 2 double-deck beds, 1 baby crib na kasya pati yaya, and 1 queen-size bed. Both rooms are air-conditioned at may malinis na CR. Meron din sila ditong pavilion where you can hold special events and gatherings, which I find it nice kasi nga nasa loob na ng mismong resort. And for other amenities naman, they have chairs and tables, ihawan, open kitchen where you can cook your own food, water dispenser, pwede din kayo ditong maglaro ng billiards, dart, and syempre hindi mawawala ang karaoke, and if may kasama kayong bata katulad namin, mai-enjoy nila ang kanilang mini playground. And kung nature lover ka nga, good news dahil yung isa sa mga pinagmamalaki nila dito is meron silang access sa Pasong Sinto River, and kita nyo naman with a personal tour pa ng owner herself, si Ma'am Marilyn. Nakakatuwa nga dahil nakwento din niya kung paano nila sinimulan at naipundar ang resort na ito along with her husband throughout their years of their hard work. Talaga namang very inspiring, at yes, pag mag-book kayo dito, kasama nyo na ding may enjoy yung river access na yan. Saktong-sakto yan kung gusto nyo lang magmuni-muni or di kaya magtampisaw. Kita nyo naman ang linaw ng tubig oh. Ito naman yung kanilang mga rates, however price may change without further notice, kaya naman it's recommended for you to message them sa kanilang Facebook page for updated rates, bookings, and other inquiries. So there you go Jollynatics, I hope nabigyan ulit namin kayo ng idea kung saan merong maganda, malinis, spacious at relaxing na private resort that you along with your friends and family can enjoy. And as always, thank you so much for watching!